Welcome to the Brain Training. Whether you're a math enthusiast or just looking for a fun challenge, this video is for you. A farmer buys 10 apple trees. Can he plant them in 5 rows with an equal number of trees in each row? If you have not tried to solve it, have a go now. For everyone else, the answer if after 15 seconds. You will have 15 seconds to solve this puzzle. If you're ready, let's begin. Time's up. Now for the answer. Just imagine a 5-pointed star, and then plant 1 tree at each point and 1 tree where the sides intersect. Row 1. 4 trees. Row 2. 4 trees. Row 3. 4 trees. Row 4. 4 trees. Row 5. 4 trees. Congratulations if you found the answer on your own. Thanks for joining. If you enjoyed this brain-teasing adventure, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending puzzles. See you in the next video.